Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Quickbase. Quickbase is a low-code application development platform that allows you to build custom business apps without writing any code. I've been using Quickbase for a few years now, and I've found it to be an incredibly powerful and versatile tool. In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of what Quickbase is, what it can be used for, and how it can help your business. What is Quickbase? Quickbase is a cloud-based platform that allows you to build custom business apps without writing any code. It provides a drag-and-drop interface that makes it easy to create forms, reports, workflows, and other app features. Quickbase also offers a wide range of integrations with other applications, such as Salesforce, Microsoft Office, and Google Sheets. This makes it easy to connect your Quickbase apps to your existing data and systems. What can Quickbase be used for? Quickbase can be used to build a wide variety of business apps, including customer relationship management, CRM apps, project management apps, sales pipeline management apps, inventory management apps, human resources apps, and much more. Quickbase is a very flexible tool, so you can use it to create an app that meets your specific needs. How can Quickbase help your business? Quickbase can help your business in a number of ways, including increasing productivity by automating tasks and processes, improving customer satisfaction by providing a better experience for your customers, making better decisions by giving you access to the data you need to make informed decisions, reducing costs by eliminating the need for expensive custom development. Quickbase pricing. Quickbase offers a variety of pricing plans to meet your needs. The most basic plan starts at $30 per user per month. Quickbase alternatives. There are a number of other low-code application development platforms available, such as Appian, Mendix, and OutSystems. However, I believe that Quickbase is the best option for most businesses. Quickbase is a powerful and versatile tool that can help your business in a number of ways. If you're looking for a way to build custom business apps without writing any code, I highly recommend giving Quickbase a try. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on business technology. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in learning more about Quickbase, please visit the Quickbase website.